Are you struggling to test websites on different mobile devices? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you an amazing mobile simulator extension that lets you test your websites on Android, iOS, tablets, Mac, and laptops. To get started, go to the browser. Next, I'll search for Mobile Simulator. From the results, I'll click on the first link, which will take us to the extension page. I'll also provide the link in the description for easy access. Once on the page, I'll click the Install button, which will redirect to the Chrome Web Store, where you can download and add the extension to your browser. Now let's pin the extension for quick access. Click on the extensions icon in the browser toolbar, find Mobile Simulator in the list, and click the pin icon. This will keep it visible on the toolbar for easy use. Now let's see how this extension works using Amazon.in as an example. Once the page loads, I'll click on the extension icon. It will display a list of device options, including Android, iOS, tablets, and laptops, allowing us to test the website on different screen sizes instantly. Now, if I select Tablet from the list, the website's view changes instantly to match a tablet screen. This allows you to test and see how the site looks and functions in tablet mode effortlessly. Now, I'll select the laptop view while using a monitor. The website instantly adjusts to the selected laptop screen size, allowing us to test its responsiveness based on the specific laptop model we choose. We can also switch to night mode for a dark-themed interface. Just enable the option in the extension, and the website view will instantly adapt to a darker mode, making it easier to test in different lighting conditions. If you choose Pro Option devices, you'll need to subscribe to unlock them. The extension may offer additional advanced features for testing, depending on the plan you select. You can also take screenshots in different ways, capture with a device frame, without a frame, or even take a full-page screenshot for a complete website view. If you choose the Without Frame option, a pop-up will appear allowing you to download the screenshot instantly. You can then save it to your device for further use. Similarly, if you choose the With Device Frame option, the screenshot will include the selected device's frame. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to download and save it instantly. There's also a screen recording option, allowing you to record your testing session directly from the extension. This is useful for capturing website behavior across different devices. After stopping the recording, a pop-up will appear with a download option. You can then save the recorded video to your device for further analysis or sharing.